Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. Not everyone is a fan of card games, and sometimes it's hard to play a board game with a big crowd. But with this super fun and super simple dice game, left, center, right, we've had so much fun and spent hours playing with our family and friends. My favorite part is that the concept is so easy to explain and to learn for the first time. It's a great game, especially if you have kids in the group or people who aren't really paying a lot of attention. And because it comes in this tin, it's really easy to travel with and bring to a friend's house. It comes with enough chips for 5 people, but you can include so many people playing. You just have to add more chips. There is lots of fun to be had with this left, center, right dice game. We love it in our family and are glad to have it in our game library. And that's my point of view.